Let's be brutally honest. Buying an above-ground pool is like adopting a very thirsty, high-maintenance pet that can't even fetch. You don't just need the best pool. You need the right pool for your backyard battlefield. So today, we're reviewing the 3 pools that matter. The all-around Champion, the sun-proof Tank, and the space-saving Ninja. First up, the all-around Champion, the Intex Ultra XTR. Think of this as the Swiss Army knife of pools. Its triple-layer liner is like a Kevlar vest for water. And its powder-coated steel frame is engineered like a skyscraper's skeleton. It's for anyone who wants a reliable pool without needing an engineering degree to set it up. Next, for those in a constant battle with the sun, the sun-proof tank, the Coleman power steel. If you live somewhere the sun is actively trying to murder your outdoor furniture, this is your hoss. Its superpower is a UV-resistant liner built to take a solar beating. The frame is reinforced to resist warping during long stretches of blistering heat. If your summer forecast looks like Mordor, this is your pool. Finally, for those with a smaller space, the space-saving Ninja, the Intex Prism Frame Oval. This is the Murphy bed of pools. Maximum function in a minimal footprint. Its clever oval shape gives you more swimming length in a smaller yard. Plus, it's designed to look intentional, not like a giant blue tarp you panic bought on Memorial Day. It's perfect for anyone with nosy neighbors or a homeowners association with an opinion on everything. Now, listen carefully. It doesn't matter which pool you choose if you fail the final exam. Leveling your ground. An unlevel pool is like building a castle on a pile of Jell-O. Physics doesn't care about your good enough attitude. A 2-inch slope guarantees spectacular failure. Don't lose an $800 pool because you tried to save 4 hours of work. So, choose your fighter wisely. The Swiss Army knife, the sun-proof tank, or the space-saving Ninja. Just know the pool's survival depends less on the box and more on the foundation. If you want more brutally honest reviews, subscribe. Then check out our bizarre story in the next video. I asked AI to fix my pool. Here's what happened. Go on, do it.